I want to acknowledge something real. Your journey wasn't always smooth. Some of you faced obstacles that would have stopped others in their tracks. You juggled jobs, families, and studies. You pushed through difficult modules and challenging projects. There were probably moments when you questioned if it was worth it. Being here today, I hope you see that it was.
I put in the work, I made it. I actually was able to prove to myself that I can do this, that it's possible to not only complete the course, but be able to complete it with honors. And I'm so proud that I was able to have my teachers to help me push me forward to do better.
The teachers are amazing. They make the school absolutely wonderful, and they like to challenge it a lot.
I didn't really know too much of what to expect going in. I was the first in my family to do welding or anything like that. But honestly, it was a really good experience.
Mechanics, welders, electricians, plumbers, maintenance technicians, carpenters, and everyone involved in the construction and building maintenance trades should hold their heads high when they tell their friends what they do for a living, because what we do is important.
As you leave our campus, just remember, excellence is not the destination. It's a continuous journey. And as Dr. Toole stated, the technologies you will work with, they're going to evolve. Industry standards will change. New challenges will emerge. And the most successful among you guys will be those who maintain hunger, the hunger to learn, the hunger to improve, and the hunger to master the new skills throughout your careers. Once again, congratulations.